Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, a few thundery showers have blossomed over southeastern Queensland and could develop as far north as Rockhampton later tonight. Unlikely though. By morning, a gusty southerly wind change will clear it all out to sea, spreading cool, dry air right up to the deep tropics and creating rough conditions on the open water. Today was a warm day on the Downs, the temperatures don't lie. In Toowoomba the mercury hit 22 degrees after a low this morning of 10 and Dalby shot up to 24 this afternoon. On the satellite loop you can see or track at least this cold front trough system that's crossing New South Wales and southern Queensland. Ahead of it you can see the little storm clouds forming, some of them just short sharp showers. Affected the Darling Downs already this afternoon, then moved to the southeast coast and parts of the Wide Bay Burnett, and are starting to see a couple as well, maybe extending a little further north tonight. On today's chart, there's the cold front. It's right over central New South Wales now and it's connected to a trough. It's a vigorous system, and I say that because behind it, the isobars are really closely spaced, so we've got a gusty southerly change coming in. Ahead of it though, the winds are a bit lighter. They're coming from the northwest and they're so light in fact over central Queensland that there was a little bit of fog around this morning again. On tomorrow's chart, look how quickly the cold front moves through and shoots out to sea. And as that low in the Tasman Sea deepens, so the next high comes in behind it, those dry southerlies will shoot right up the way to Cooktown. On the outlook chart, it gets even windier in the tropics. This next high comes across, but winds turn around and start to ease in the southeast. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast. A mostly sunny day after some early frost in the far east. 17 the top for Dalby, a lot cooler. Gundawindi also 17, Toowoomba 14, Warwick 1 tonight, 17 tomorrow. For the southeast coast, dry, clear and gusty, Gatton reaching 20 degrees, 22 for Ipswich and Brisbane 21. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, the tables begin to turn this weekend as a much more humid air mass moves over us, creating heavier clouds and a greater risk of showers into next week. For Warwick, notice how the temperatures start to rise. -2 degrees Thursday morning, that's the coldest, but then over the weekend a bit more milder. And then that goes for Dalby too. Note that on the weekend, Dalby starts to get a bit cloudier. The chance of rain is quite low until Tuesday though. And that's all for tonight, my friends. As always, it's been a pleasure to have your company and thanks for supporting 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more on what's happening. Hope you can join me. Have a nice evening. And now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for tonight. Thanks for your company.
Anything you missed, of course, catch up on our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.